Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today I'm making a healthy chocolate mousse. Yes, healthy because it has cottage cheese in it. It has maple syrup for the sugar, so a natural sugar, and it also has chia seeds in it. So this sounds really healthy, and we're gonna find out, is it worth making? Does it actually taste good? We'll do this together, so let's do this. Of course, I was inspired by this song. I got cottage cheese, add some cocoa. I got chia seeds, who could ask for anything more? Well, we're gonna find out that answer if it needs something more. Add everything to your blender or food processor. You could do it by hand too, but then it'd be a little chunky. Add in your cottage cheese, cocoa powder, dash of vanilla, maple syrup. Blend together. Add in your chia seeds. I'm gonna mix these in by hand. All right, let's take a look at this healthy chocolate mousse. It looks pretty good, and this hasn't even been in the refrigerator, so I think once it goes in the refrigerator, it will become even creamier. It definitely looks creamy. It's got a glossy finish on top. I can see the chia seeds in there, and you could top yours with sliced bananas or fruit of your choice or nuts on top. You could even put chocolate chips. Yes, you could. Because there is fiber in here and protein with the cottage cheese and those chia seeds. So I'm just saying, balance is life, right? So let's take a bite and see how this tastes. It's coming out very mousse-like. You know what? This is pretty good for what it is. Let me restate that. This is pretty good for what it is. You're not going to get an overwhelming chocolate flavor from this. You do from the cocoa, but it's more like you're having a very dark chocolate mousse versus a semi-sweet milk chocolate mousse, something like that. It's almost a little bit bitter because of the cocoa, and you get a little bit of that grit from the chia seeds. But that's all good. You know what? If you have a chocolate craving and you want to eat something that's high in protein and has lots of dietary fiber in it, then this is a fantastic choice. And again, I think with those toppings, chocolate chips could really take this to another level. So enjoy your healthy chocolate mousse. If I can make this healthy chocolate mousse for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make for your family and friends, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.